So this is how you can put text behind the person in CapCut PC. Hey everyone, welcome back to another CapCut guide. Today I'm going to teach you how to put text behind people. So this will be very simple. Just drag your video, the one that you want to put text behind, and just double that video. And now you're going to want to tap on text, add default text. Let's make it say hello or hello there so it's a bit longer. And now we have our text. We can even transform it, like making it glow, like so. All right, now you're gonna want to tap on the top text or the top video and then go to remove background. Now tap on auto removal, and once it's done, you're gonna want to drag the text to the middle of these two clips. And there you go, it's very simple. You can even drag it down here. And now let's play the video, see how it goes. Hello there, hello there. And yeah, that's pretty much it. It's very simple. You don't have to export it and put it back like the other tutorials are saying. This is pretty much how you can do it. So that's it. If you enjoyed this video and if it helped, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.